What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for leaving all the positive comments, all your feedback, for showing so much love. You guys are just rock stars. Thank you very much. Enough of this, let's get back into this beauty. In this video, we'll be changing 4 things: intercooler, air duct, air pump, and the fan. While the quarter is not secured, we'll remove the quarter panel so we have more access to work. So let's get to work, fellas. Alright, so this is the new intercooler. We'll be replacing this guy. This is the new pump that came in, and the air duct. So we'll unwrap this right now and start changing the parts. Alright, so we got here a new pump. That's for the front airlift, new air duct, and new intercooler. And they're all gonna go right here in this section. That's the pump, and that's the intercooler, and that's the air duct. So we'll remove the quarter right now and start changing the parts out. Alright, the quarter is off, so let's take a closer look. So the intercooler is damaged, the fan is damaged, the air duct is damaged, and this pump is damaged, broke off right here. So we got a new intercooler, new air duct, new pump, and new fan. So let's remove this while the quarter is off for easier access, like I said before. And we'll start cleaning the quarter panel, all the extra welds, and start installing the quarter. Alright, I removed the intercooler. Let's take a closer look. If anything got damaged, this is fine. This is all fine. Little scrape right here, but that's nothing. This is all straight and good. So now we'll remove this pump. And we'll install a new one and a new intercooler. Alright, the reason why I had to change the pump, this hose got pinched, the metal hose. Then there is supposed to be some kind of a plug that comes out and this screws in there, so that broke off completely, so that's why we had to get a new pump. Yeah. Alright, we transfer everything from this intercooler to this, so we could start installing it now. Alright, we're all done with the intercooler, the fan intercooler, air duct, and the pump is installed. So now we're ready to start working on the quarter. And I got a special visit. Wifey came by with my daughter, brought me lunch, and decided to check it out on my progress. Entertaining me. Yep. So yeah, something like this, guys. Slowly but surely, car getting closer to the finished product. Alright, we're gonna use 3M spot weld primer everywhere where we kind of did a little bit of grinding. That's gonna prevent any rust in the future. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, Alright, everything is primered and ready to go. Now we could start installing the quarter panel. Alright, let's take a closer look at our gaps. Gap is nice. Same over here. Same with this gap. So now we could safely start securing the quarter panel. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 5. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 6. We'll be securing the quarter panel. I promise I won't keep you guys waiting too long. But for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, sucks to be you. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.